To peel a tomato, you want your tomatoes, of course, a knife. You want a bowl of ice water deep enough to completely submerge your tomatoes, a spoon to fish it out of the hot water with, and you want to bring a pot of water to a low simmer, not quite a boil. Slice your tomato, a little on each end like this. Take the core out. Slice it. Then into the hot water and count to 30 seconds. Okay, so after about 30 seconds or so, you'll see the skin start to peel away. And we want to cool them down immediately so they stop cooking, so put them in your ice water. This will stop them from cooking and let them completely cool down in the ice water for like a minute or so. You can see how the skin is starting to already peel away and how easy it comes off. Just peel it off. Now they're completely ready to be chopped up, diced, whatever, for any of your sauces. Just like that.